healthy journey. My healthy journey started back in 2010 when I was diagnosed with prostate cancer group stage 3B. Na nilipoanza matibabu, somewhere along the way, I created some other complications. That is, my kidneys failed. I had a very critical chronic blood pressure. I had also diabetes. And I remember very well back in 2013 when I was in my deathbed in hospital, when I was dying, when my sister came and with another colleague, and they gave me this book. This book, God's Way to Health, How to Live Health, a common sense guide for eliminating sicknesses through nutrition. When I got this book, my heart told me that here in our things. I went home and I started the diet in this book, very aggressively. For 1 year, I went through the program religiously. Every day I was taking carrot juice, wheat glass, and all the other health components made in this book. After that 1 year, all my conditions were over, all the issues. I was tested for cancer and I did not have a single cancer cell in my body. Also, my kidneys were back, but one of my kidneys on the right did not go well. So I had to live with that condition. Maybe roho yangu ilikuwa inaniambia nitaishi hivyo milele, because we tried all what we can, but all not was well. Also, when I was sick in 2013, I created a condition called insomnia. Insomnia is where you go for more than 2 weeks without sleep there at night. It becomes a medical issue. So I had to live with those two conditions, the kidney failure, one of my right kidneys, and also the insomnia. But fast forward, come to year 2019, November, when I met one of our top ambassadors in this product is Gisela. I remember the day very well. It was on a Thursday, and we met somewhere in a hotel, in a Majal hotel. And our ambassador, Madam Charlotte Roberts, introduced me to this product, Gisela. And when I took the first sachet, 300 milligrams, 3,000 milligrams, the second in the morning and the third the following evening, I noticed the first effect of that product. Nilipoamka the third day, early in the morning, na nikaona ya kwamba nimelala for 7 good hours without a break. Nikajua ya kwamba my insomnia is over. And also I noticed that my urine had become so clear, just like water. And that's when I realized that my kidney was well back again through using Gisela. And the following month, I went for a thorough clinical checkup, which I used to do as my clinic every Thursday, the third week of the month. And I was told that my kidney now is very, very much clear, and that is a plus to my health. Since then, I've been taking a Gisela, and I have found it to be a very, very, very effective product. Also, I have a brief testimony of my last born son, Paul Kuria. Is 18 years in Form 3. Paul Kuria created a very, very chronic, critical condition, swelling all over the body. We went for a lot of tests, name it. Any big hospital in Kenya, we went in Nairobi Hospital, we went in Aga Khan in Isha, where I was being directed by my doctor, Professor Washila. And after doing all the tests, nothing was found to be wrong. So the doctor advised me carelessly for the symptoms, and we managed to bring the swellings over through natural products. But after taking what we did with him, that is in April last year, May and June, the conditions were over. but they reoccurred this year, 2020, February. I remember the day I was called from the school and they told that, Kiani, your kid is not well. He had been asleep the whole day, and we have taken him to our clinic, and he is not improving at all. I waked up the following day very early in the morning, and at exactly 5 a.m., I was in the school. I went with just a single packet of Gisela, and the principal of school like, wow, Kiani, your kid is so sick, and you are just coming with a certain box telling us your kid will be well. I learned that psychologically the teacher was seeing as if I'm not so concerned. So I had to sit him down and educate him what is in this Gisela. I also took my son and showed him what are the ingredients of the product and how they will eliminate the condition. So, taking for this product for 3 days, the condition was over. I went back to the school after 3 weeks and got my son as well. Later in this interview, maybe I'll get my son to have his testimony. And this product is a wonder product in our generation. Today, Gisela have taken Kenya by a storm because of its effectiveness. So, today, as we are going through a crisis in this world, we would only recommend Gisela for one thing, for having a lot of vitamin C, which you should be taking daily because of boosting your immunity, which is so critical in preventing any infection from virus, from bacteria, from germs, name it. So, you yourself as you take your Gisela. Thank you so much.